And Colonel, ano po ang reaksyon niyo sa mga nagsasabi na excessive use of force daw ang ginagamit ng kapulisan dyan sa pag-serve ng arrest warrant over close to 2,000 police personnel nga ang nandyan, ano? And Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte released a statement earlier saying na he did not follow the proper legal process for serving an arrest warrant. He also questioned the use of violence and unauthorized presence of police sa KOJC compound.
You know, I mentioned earlier that if there will be some resistance and violence, it will not come from the part of the PNP. We keep on telling this from the start that we want to exercise maximum tolerance, and we haven't seen any policemen harass any KOJC members. In fact, it's the other way around. There were accusations before that our policemen threw tear gas on them, but it is not true. It was them who used a fire extinguisher against our policemen, against their own members, and to make it appear that it came from our policemen. Like I said, the allegation about excessive force, they have all the remedy and they could exhaust their legal remedies to question the presence of our policemen in the area, but we stand with our position that we are there to implement a validly issued warrant of arrest, and we will remain in the area until such time that we were able to locate the subjects of the warrant of arrest.
And then there were actually also early reports that up to 7 KOJC members died, but later on it was clarified that one person died, unfortunately, but do you now have an idea where that 7 figure came from, or is there any truth to that at all?
There is no truth to that. That is one of the misinformation being spread by their group that allegedly there were 8 reported deaths among their ranks, and we keep on requesting and challenging them to show us the cadavers and the dead bodies of these 8. And it turned out that it was a false report from their end. It was confirmed that there is one male person died of heart attack, but this is not in any way related to the ongoing police operation. The person who died of heart attack, we found out that he was one of those who was posted in the watchtower they established within and around KOJC, and there was no connection with the ongoing investigation as to the cause of his death.
Sorry, can you just clarify? Do you mean to say he died of natural causes? It wasn't because he was hit or, he was tear gassed or any of that sort?
Yes, ma'am. There was no the PNP the PNP personnel who entered the KOJC compound has did not in any way engage with the person who died of a heart attack. It was found out that this person was posted 3 or 4 days already, and because of exhaustion and probably no sleep at all for 4 straight days, and probably because of fatigue and exhaustion at around 5 a.m. or more or less past 5 a.m. of August 24th, he suffered a heart attack. But what is sad here is the PNP medical team that were readily available were refused entry by the members of the KOJC. The life of that person could have been saved if our medical team were allowed to at least intervene. But unfortunately, we were only able to provide immediate medical assistance 15 or 20 minutes 20 minutes after, and the medical team brought this person in the hospital, but unfortunately the attending physician declared the said person dead on arrival.